Good morning. Sun is out. I'm out in my yard working on a new project. I'm going to fix the rotten bench. So I have some leftover cedar from the table that I just did, the outdoor table. So I'm going to rip them to the 48. I'm going to rip them about 3 inches thick, round over the edges. I'm also going to change the back piece, spray paint the metal. Let's see what it looks like when I'm all done. All right, I have the cedar, I have the saw. Now I'm going to rip them to dimension. I have the cedar all laid out. Here's the bench, here's the back. I have my hardware, some 1/4 inch lag bolts. And I figured it was 3/4 of an inch off the edge, which happened to be the exact same dimension. So when I laid it out, it just worked perfect. I got the center, and now I'm going to drill some holes. First I need eye protection. Now that everything is drilled, I'm going to go back out into the sunshine and wet sand the metal frame. Okay, so I have everything wet sanded. Now it's in the sun drying. After it's dry, make sure there's no mud on it. I'm going to spray paint them. Since we're here and you can hear in the background one of my other passions, I tried setting this up in my shop to spray paint because it's a little bit windy outside, but it was just too smelly in there, so I made a little makeshift spray booth on the side of my house. I shook the can up real well. Just keep the can about 8 to 10 inches away and always be moving so you don't get any drips. All right, here on a sunny but a little chilly afternoon, got everything all finished up. I laid out my pattern that I want to install them. Well, that was a fun experience pulling this garden bench out from behind the shed where it was rotting. We spray painted it, we put some fresh cedar, a few coats of water locks, and some new carriage bolts, and now we can enjoy it in the garden. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next project.